Admins with appropriate permissions may modify or remove tasks from the Current Tasks page. Tasks are displayed in a table with columns that include the description, type, who the task is assigned to, the current status, when it was last updated, the target completion date, and a location if assigned. Tasks may be moved to the trash. Choose one or many tasks and click the Manage button. A confirmation will appear and the tasks are immediately removed. Shortcuts on tasks include logs, presets, and activities. To view or modify a task, click on the task description. All options that were previously configured may be changed on this page. For example, the task description or who the task is assigned to. The expected start or due date may need to change. The task location might have moved and may be updated. Activities may also be modified. The task may need further instruction, a document might need to be added, or another form must be filled out before the task is considered completed. Be sure to save any changes that are made. If the task is being assigned to someone else, be aware of the status in progress. This indicates that the user has already clicked into the task and is either working on it or it is saved locally on their device. If the task is assigned to someone else, then their work will be lost. Once a task is reassigned, click Save and the new assignee will receive a notification. The task status may be changed at any time. One scenario where this would be beneficial is if the assignee forgot to include a photo. A completed task may be changed to draft and then sent to the user, enabling them to add the photo to the form.